How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using your debit card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using our debit card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it's not that difficult to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet because you can definitely go ahead and then buy, but the only problem here is that whenever you're actually attempting to buy Bitcoin, so let me go ahead and then try to search for BTC here. I'll search BTC. Let's say I want to buy some amount of BTC, so I'll just go ahead and select that. The only problem here is that whenever I'm doing that, you can see this option called buy with credit card. So even if I want to change it here, I will select this option. Another option here I have is other options here, such as credit card, Google Pay, or bank transfer. Now unfortunately you can see there is no debit card option and you can't directly buy using your debit card, but what you can do is if you have Google Pay, you can add your debit card to Google Pay and buy using Google Pay, or you can simply select bank transfer because your debit card usually comes from your bank as well, and you can directly deposit the funds to your bank account and then you'll be able to buy using banks. So instead of using the credit card, you can use these two indirect ways to buy with debit card. So I hope that this video helped you understand the question. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.